Biris Création. Biris Création te la caillou avec your nouveau look, your nouveau design. If you like it, share and give me a thumbs up. This is me, Biris Création. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and then give me a thumbs up if you like it. Leave your comment and I'm gonna be answer you. This is me, Biris Création. I say thank you to everybody who was subscribed to support me, and then even I speak Creole and a little bit of English and Creole. I see a lot of people subscribe. I say thank you everybody. Thank you for sign. Thank you. Now let's get started. You see, now I bring a new look for you. I said let me use a spray paint, so I don't use no paint today. I say I use the spray paint. So that you see I go outside, but you can do that inside. That's make the chemical and the spray gonna be big day for you. Sometimes I have my sinus so bad, so I go outside and spray it because I can spray inside the house. It's dangerous, so I go spray outside. And then you see I use two spray paint. One a little color like a gray and black, so they mix together, so it gives you that color you see I put in the canvas. So I buy the canvas at Ollie's, and then I think so it's a $3 or $4 for $5 something or $9. I forgot the price. So sometimes I buy at Marco's too, but I don't have a chance to go to Marco's. And then today I said let me do something different for you, and I use my crush glass. That crush glass, I go to the thrift store and then I see that color. I say let me buy it. It was 98 cents, so I buy it. And then I got the glitter already. I got my own glitter. I got the black and I got a silver. And then I got that little pearls at Dollar Tree. If you go to Dollar Tree in your way, so you sometimes not all of Dollar Tree have it. So this is new. I never see that at Dollar Tree. So this is new. When you see it, you just grab it. So now I put my Mod Pod and the canvas. I put my Mod Pod, and then after that I'm gonna use my brush, my paint brush, to fix the Mod Pod the way I want to use to put the coach glass. Okay, glass. So you can use any color you want. So me, I try to use that color I see at the thrift store for 98 cents. So I said, guys, I'm not gonna leave it. I'm take it. So that the way today I try to make a new look for you with a spray paint. I see somebody use the spray paint. I take it on TikTok, so I say, okay, I'm gonna try to use mine on the canvas too. But it don't make the crush glass. It just make make somebody head, a woman head. So I say okay, I can use the spray paint too in the canvas. I say okay, let me try it. And then today I try it for you guys. Now I put my crush glass. When I finish put my crush glass, and then I'm gonna put my glitter. I'm gonna put my glitter, and then you're gonna be left for dry for 24 hours before you seal it. So I want to do the video fast for you guys. that's gonna be taking a long time to wait for tomorrow to seal it. So I try to make something look good and gorgeous. And then you see the crushed glass look good, and the black and the brown and the gray. So I'm very proud of me. I see something and then I create another thing. So that's Billy's creation. Anything she got, anything she see at the thrift store, Goodwill, whatever store she go, and then she see something look good and gorgeous, and then she try to make it for you guys. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you see something not good, just tell me, just comment, say something not good, can you fix something, can you fix it another way? Yes, I can. So just leave your comment. If you not leave your comment, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, so if I do something wrong, you can just leave your comment, and be after I gonna change whatever I want to change. Okay. I like when somebody try to help me change something I don't do good, because I'm not really good at paint, but I try my best. Everything I put my hands in something, I make a design, I make it look good and gorgeous. So if you see this one not really good, just tell me, and then I'm gonna be another canvas. I'm gonna show you I can do it. So now I finished to put my glitter, and then I put a little bit of crushed glass, because I see it's need more crushed glass. And after that I put the pearls I buy at Dollar Tree. I use my glue gun, because the March pod not gonna be it's gonna be take time before the March pod dry. So I try to make something fast for you. I use glue gun for the canvas to put the pearls I buy at Dollar Tree. So sometimes Dollar Tree got something different, and then when you go the next day you don't see it anymore. So that the way I try to buy 2 pack, I think so. And then I said, let me use it in that canvas for you to see if it look good or gorgeous or better, or I don't know. So just give me a thumbs up, and then quitter comment to you. So share with somebody, your family, your friend, anybody you share, and then I'm not disappoint nobody. So I'm gonna show you more. I got more everything. I got everything I got home. I recycle everything, guys. They have another video coming up soon, and you're gonna see what I got. That stuff I find in garbage. I think so. It's an apartment by my job, and I see 2 little bucket, and then I said, let me get it. So I got it, guys. So that video gonna be coming soon. And then I go to the store, buy fabric, and then I gonna spread it, paint or chalk paint, whatever. So you're gonna see that video coming soon. So let's enjoy that video. Make sure you subscribe. Don't just watch. Just subscribe and give me a thumbs up if I do something good. If I don't do it good, just tell me and I change it. So this is me, Billy's Création. Enjoy your video. À la prochaine. Et un autre nouveau vidéo. This is me, Billy's Création.